Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup looks, we do makeup tutorials, we do makeup reviews, we do makeup unboxings. And right now, at this time of the month, we're doing a lot of unboxings, and today we're going to be unboxing what I believe, what it feels. I think I opened it, like, just pulled this. But I ain't looked inside, and I do think it is the Ipsy Plus, because I think the Ipsy Ultimate would be heavier, and it's too big to be the regular glam bag. But what Ipsy is, it's just a monthly beauty subscription. You get anything from makeup tools, skincare, hair care, sometimes nail stuff. And normally they are from higher end luxury brands. But they do have like 3 different subscriptions, and it is the regular bag for $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size sample and a cute little bag. And then they have this one, which is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products and a medium bag, which I guess they're all going to be drawstring bags now since they redone it. And then we got the Ultimate for $50 a month, but you are getting 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe size samples, and you get a big makeup bag. Okay, so here is the makeup bag this month. I believe that is so cute. I really like it. I love the color. And they do go together. The gold and like the red. I don't know. Burgundy red. Brick red. I don't know. But it's really pretty. Good Vibes is their theme this month. They don't do like tells us what we're getting anymore. You can get online and look it up. I did like the personal card with the prices and stuff, but they don't really do that no more. So this is Better Together. Tells you what you can use together. Liquid highlighter, foundation. I think we all know that. Exfoliator and a hydrating mask. Chlorine blush with powder blush. I've done that today. Sunscreen plus antioxidant serum. But normally, your value is over $120. And I don't know if they put it in this one, but I've been collecting my points. I still got a lot of points. Probably got 2,000 points left. I did get, buy something with my points. So, I bought one item. I think I spent like 1,800 points. Okay. And with this one, we are getting to pick 3 items, which is really nice. We picked 3 items. They picked 2 for us. I really wasn't feeling what they had for me to pick. I did like one item, and the rest of them I just picked. And they kept saying out of everything else, so I don't know. So first item, this is, actually, we'll go ahead and get this out of the way. This is what I bought with my points. It is Space Case. It is a quad palette. And I love Space Case. They got a bronzer I absolutely love. They got some highlighters, eyeshadows I absolutely love. So I was really glad I picked this. They are cruelty free. And this is their quad. I guess it's called quad. It don't have no other name. Okay, it's Unicorn Horn. So we get a little mirror. And then we got these 4 shimmers, which is absolutely beautiful. I broke my nail. Okay, so that is called Not Rocket Science, Unicorn Horn, and Ghost Enter the Host. They got some long names. Bella Tricks. So I like the first few. I mean, I love all 4 colors, but what I like about these colors, you can use them as highlighters and eyeshadows. So I really like anything that you can use for multiple things. So I do like that. And I really like how Ipsy, like, you review your stuff and you get like points for it. I do like that. So you build up your points pretty fast if you've got multiple subscriptions. Okay, this is a product I picked. This is the Yensa Color Plus Face is a skin bronzing base, sunlight glow, bronzer plus brush duo. It's got 8 super blacks essence. Meaning of yin. Oh, it's got little sands in there. Okay, so we got us a brush, and it's just their silk bronzer brush. Okay, then, and this one, I don't know if they have like colors to them. This is the Sunlight Gloro Silk Bronzing Base. It's lightweight cream bronzer, leaves skin with a natural, healthy, and sun-kissed tan, and it's powered by the 8 Super Black Essence. Okay, so I like a cream bronzer contour. Then 9 times out of 10, I am going to put powder on top of it, but right here is the color. Well, let's put it right here. And you probably can build it up to the color you need. Yes. It does have like a little orange to it, but a lot of them does. But I think that's going to work with my skin tone. I am light skin toned, but I do like that. I really didn't like the other choices. Really, that's the only thing I really liked. I picked something else and it was out. And everything I picked, it kept saying out, out, out. Okay. This is an Orpha Cosmetics Orpha Lip Gloss. It is in truffle. We're getting 6 grams, which is 0.21 flow ounces. I really love Orpha Cosmetics. They are some of my favorite. So, it's really pretty. So, I really like that. This is the first time I've noticed them individually wrapping stuff. I never did notice that before. Normally, they just throw these in. Okay, so this is by Girlactic. It's a duo 3-in-1 lip sparkle. This is one in Periwinkle, and this one is in Twinkle. And we will swatch them. This is it right here. And then Twinkle, we will do right here. So I like them. I'll put a little. So I do like that, which will probably make my lipstick fade now. So I'm going to go ahead and use this on top of it. I've put on a regular lipstick today. I set it with powder to keep it on because you know how lipsticks are. Darker lipsticks like this are very hard to keep from getting patchy and looking like, I don't know, like your mouth looks all weird and stuff. And I love wearing them, but the other thing is 9 times out of 10 I'm not going to wear them because they will not look right. As long as you're not eating, drinking, or doing anything, they look good. Okay. So this was on the outside of the bag. See, I've never noticed them doing this. I've seen the lip glosses in this, and I've never seen them, like, wrap things individually. This is by Star Skin. It's a close-up firming biocellus face mask. We did get 2 of them. This one is the foaming peel puff. Let me see. This one's got peeling liquid, 16 milliliters. It is Korean, travel friendly. And this one is infused with 30 milliliters of serum, and you get 1 mask. Okay. So I do like this. I like a good peeling mask. And I don't know. I'm trying to get into doing at least 1 face mask a day. If I do, it'll be a miracle. I really like helping my skin, but I don't know why. It's just like I forget to do things I want to do. I get busy with everything else, I guess. Okay, so we did get the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I do have the something by these. I don't think it's an eye cream. I think it is. What is it? I think it's an all over thing. Okay, so here it is. It feels like really good. I don't really smell it. No, I don't smell nothing. Okay, so I guess that's everything I got. I love a good eye cream. I did get 2 lip products, which I'm not really crazy about. Now, this was like my favorite product in the whole bag was this. Cannot wait to try it. I do like the face mask, but I do have like hundreds of them that I need to use up, and I just keep getting more, and I just really don't need no more face masks, but they are good to have. We did get 2 lip products, which is 3 in total. I like this one the best. I did pick this. I know I will use them with the right lipstick. It will look good. Or by themselves, you can probably use it. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them, really. I do like to add lip gloss and stuff to my lips. But this, I love that color. That'd be like a good highlighter, a good inner corner. But I will use these, so. And really, let me see. 1, 2, 3. And I really like what I got for my points, too. I absolutely love Space Case. They make some amazing cosmetics. They make some killer highlighters. I absolutely love their highlighters. But I got a bronzer by them in my, probably my Ipsy bag, really. And I'm telling you, as soon as I used it, I fell in love with it. It is one of my favorites to use now. But right now, in the progress of moving everything around again in my room, I'm not very happy with the way it is. I was going to record it yesterday, and I sat down, and I wasn't going to use this background. I was just going to use the, normal back part of the room, and I don't know, you could see into the laundry room. I didn't want that, and I don't know, I just didn't like it. So I'm going to move my vanity and my stuff. I'm going to move my vanity back to that wall, and then everything will be facing this wall. I don't know what I'm going to do with, like, if I'm going to keep the decorations I got up on that wall, like it's the original background that I normally use before, like, last month. So, I don't know if I'm going to, like, keep it or if I am going to, because I've bought some new shelves and I bought some hanging baskets and bought some other stuff. So, I really don't know what I'm going to do yet with that. But I know I want to move my vanity back to where it was at before I'd done all this. And I think I'll be happier. And it seems like, I don't know, some way, it's like I lost the place to put my lipsticks during this. So, I just don't like it. And I'm very happy with it. So I am going to, like, when I get done filming this, I'm going to start moving everything around. And it's a rainy day in Kentucky, so I ain't got nothing else to do. It's rained all day. I've hated it. Been out, like, twice in the rain. I'm surprised my hair ain't, like, frizzed up because of it. But I guess that is it for the Ipsy unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join the family. And if you'd like to try Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down below in the description box. And I guess that is it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.